I'm Anna Mia.
So we're a 90s nostalgia podcast, and we want to know what nostalgia means to you.
All the things from my childhood, the things that like you think about, and it like takes you back to those moments when you were a little kid, and it was just like pure happiness. I think that's nostalgia.
What's one thing that you do still today that really takes you back to being a kid?
Okay, so when I get sick, I still build pillow forts.
Oh my god, yeah. Those are the
and
best.
I like huddle in them, and I make grilled cheese sandwiches and mac and cheese, and yeah, that's what I do when I'm sick. I like revert to childhood.
In this age of like the reboot age is what I like to call it, what is like the one thing that's come up in the past couple of years that's made you the most excited?
Oh my gosh.
I know that's a loaded question.
It's hard because there were so many. I was excited when they did Poltergeist. I was really excited for that. Kind of sad they changed her name and some things. But I was excited. I don't know, I get excited every time. Like anytime there's like a new nostalgia remake, I'm like, yes, please don't suck. Like that is pretty much how I feel every time.
That's exactly how we feel.
So I think I get excited about all of them, but there's only so many that like keep the nostalgia.
Thank you so much. You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you guys.
Thank you. So we're a local podcast from the San Antonio area, and we want to know what nostalgia means to you.
Nostalgia is, I guess, memories of, remembering something when I was younger, something I loved, bringing it back.
What's one thing that you do today still, even maybe with your family, that brings you way back to when you were a kid?
Costumes? I've always loved costumes. It's just that when I became an adult, like, I'm a nurse, I always work Halloween, so like, as soon as I found out about cons, oh my god, yeah, it's addicting.
Definitely. What's one of this, like in the reboot age, like all the new movies and stuff that's come out, what's one thing that's made you really proud to do what you do? Like to be able to be with that particular character?
Wonder Woman? Like I'm actually more of a villain fan, but Wonder Woman is like, I'm also a feminist, so like she really resonates with me. Like I love Wonder Woman.
Excellent. This is awesome. You're beautiful. This is awesome. I love it. Thank you so much. So as a 90 Nostalgia podcast, one thing we like to ask our guests is, what does nostalgia mean to you?
It's like all classic. Something I grew up, because I was born in the 80s.
Yeah.
So it's just like anything like growing up, it just like brings back a lot of memories for me. Like my costume I'm doing tomorrow, I'm doing Gadget Hack Wrench from like Rescue Rangers. So it's just like, it's nostalgia. I'm gonna bring back the nostalgia for tomorrow.
Excellent, excellent. In this whole reboot age that we have going on, what's kind of like maybe the biggest thing that's come back or that's gonna be coming back that you're most proud to do?
Oh my god, I don't even know yet. I look at all the reboots and I'm just like, I don't know how I feel about it yet. Maybe ask me again later.
Yeah, yeah. Where are you based out of?
San Antonio.
Yeah, here in San Antonio. Awesome, awesome. Who are you excited to see here most?
Rick Moranis.
Yeah. We just saw him. He's so small.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he was walking by.
Oh my god. I've been like preparing myself to like not cry when I see him because we have our photo op, and I'm just like, I don't want to like cry. If I start crying, I'm like, let me go last.
Was there anything else you want to add?
No.
Okay. Thank you so much.
It was great to meet you.
Awesome. It was great to meet you too.